So I wanted to ask you this question. How many things do you think that you have held yourself back from because you didn't believe that your body was where it should be? How many times you step back from having a photo taken, doing a video, because you don't believe that you're, the right amount of weight, or you've got double chin, or, you're not feeling like everybody else that you watch on videos. Isn't it amazing how often we will hold ourselves back because we don't believe our bodies are perfect enough? At this stage of my life, I'm in my 60s, I know I have to fight it sometimes too. I have to look at, okay, how's that video coming across? What's that photo look like? And I was walking this morning, I was thinking about how much time we actually waste not thinking about the value we add to people's lives, but worrying about how we look by adding that value, how we judge ourselves and we judge others by the way that they look. And I think women in particular really struggle with this issue. And when it comes to their bodies, I was watching a show during the week and Magda Szubanski was on. And for those of you who don't know who Magda Szubanski is, she's a fabulous comedian and actress based here in Australia. And she's a big woman. But my gosh, she's intelligent, she's funny, she's smart. There's just this gorgeous air about her. And you're just drawn to watch her. And I was watching her this week and I thought, I wonder how many times I've stopped saying things or held myself back from doing things because I didn't feel like I fitted the part. And especially as you get older, and not only coming up against body image issues, but ageism issues as well. So I want to challenge you this week. How much are you holding yourself back from doing things because you feel that your body isn't right, your face isn't, perfect, you're not having all that stuff to make you have no wrinkles. I laugh too much. It's never going to go away. But how much time are you spending holding yourself back rather than really stepping into the lightness of you, the fabulous of you? And let me know. Have a great weekend.